angels that call you. Don't you fight the feeling? Take a step and lean into me. Keep on breathing and say you want me. Shout it to the ocean. Set us in motion. Set us on fire.
Yo, what is up everyone? Welcome to 2021 and episode 1 of my new portrait vlog series. My name is Will and I'm a video director, DOP, and photographer based out of Tokyo. I'm a part of the DMBZ Creative Collective and production company which has the coolest directors and we shoot the coolest and biggest commercials in the country as well. Our reel should be playing right next to me at the moment. Anyways, so to start off 2021, my first episode is going to be about the time when my friends Kohki and Miyu, we decided to go to Kyoto for a few days and shoot the autumn leaves. For this project, Canon Japan was nice enough to lend me 2 Canon R5s. So I used one Canon R5 for photo and one Canon R5 for video. So I know I've been silent for a while on my vlogs and I hope to change that with this one. So as always, if you guys enjoy, please like and subscribe. Okay, peace. But the light up there, so perfect right now. We saw the sun like rising up and like hitting the temple so well. So we just like threw all our stuff here and left it and like ran down.
It's so hard, I can't do that. Like this is maybe 30, I won't hold 30 seconds. Yeah.
It's so heavy.
Do you want to try?
It's actually lighter than the S stuff.
What?
It's, yeah, like this is okay, but like when you start doing this,
Yeah.
because like your muscles,
Like, how do you?
you have to work out. I don't work out.
What's the next location, Kohki?
Will's temple.
Will's temple.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it's the one where Will's the god. There's a statue
Oh
of
my
Will. So we're heading to the next location, which Will found last night out of the blue on Google. So we'll see how that does, or how it is. Hopefully it's red.
It was in the top 10 best locations in Kyoto, so it has to be good.
So he searched top 10 locations.
Yeah.
And just went for it.
Go. Are you awake?
Oh my god.
How was your nap?
I was dreaming.
Oh really?
Yeah.
So now with the second location.
Where's temple?
Will's temple, correct. So we just got to the second location, took a bus about 20 minutes, it's not so far. And look what we found. So much red. This is the best decision I made all week. Do you concur?
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 I concur? I'm very concur.
Oof. So cinematic. Yo guys, so we just wrapped up shooting this very beautiful temple over there somewhere. Yeah, and now we're gonna finally get some brunch, get some food because Miyu's super hungry right now. She's super excited. And It is like, it's about high noon right now, so the lighting is like super harsh, right? So I think it's perfect time to take a break and relax for a bit.
So pretty.
Oh, look at this, already good.
I mean, like, he didn't tell the price. I'm scared.
So on Google Maps, it tells the price.
Google Maps.
So we're back at the temple that we were at in the morning, and there's so many people here. I think it was a super good decision that we came during sunrise instead of like sunset. Why do you always want to be in the shot? So now we're heading up to like a decent viewpoint and closing the vlog out, getting some nice content up there. I think this is like the most people that we've seen all day.
Yeah.
They're all hiding here.
Since COVID, it's like this is like the least you'll see, and it's this. Imagine like it's like Takeshita Street. It's at its like maximum, like in steroids.
I don't think they know Takeshita Street.
Everyone that goes to Japan always wants to go to Takeshita Street.
Is it COVID or nah?
Was this filmed 2 years ago or 3?
Update? I think we're almost there. Good job. So guys, we just finished up shooting. It's the last location, and I'm very happy about what we did today. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, and I think this is probably going to be my first episode. I'm actually coming back on. Tune in for more episodes soon. And now our day is just watching the sunset as it goes down.
See ya.
See ya.